Lanterns and Firecrackers, a Chinese New Year story by Johnny Zucker and Jan Barger. Soon it will be Chinese New Year. We're cleaning our home and putting flowers everywhere because the kitchen god will visit us. We let off firecrackers to scare away any bad spirits. It's the first day and I'm wearing new clothes to say goodbye to all of the sad things from last year. My brother and I are given an envelope with money inside. The envelopes are red, a colour of luck. Today, our family and friends bring food and drink. We sit down and enjoy a great feast. We watch the amazing lion and dragon dancers. On the last day of the festival, we hang up lanterns outside and wish for good luck in our special new year.